Okay, now here we are just a week later after those pictures were taken, and we have a blizzard going on. It's incredible. It's kind of hard to see. The snow's already messing the lens up. It'll give you some idea how deep this is. It's actually drifted up there by the carport. And it's cold. We've got a lot of snow on the roof. No, that's not a pothole in the street this time. Can't hardly tell.
Hey, Kev!
Hey, uh-oh.
Have you ever seen anything like this?
No, I hadn't. I sure hadn't. Here's Robbie. Robbie Martin. He's coming out to check it all out.
Since we had a good snow, hasn't it?
Yeah, that's true. We hadn't had anything like this in my lifetime.
Long time.
Yeah.
Me and Kathy coming over here, man, it was
Ooh-wee. Did y'all just drive over?
from Riverdale.
God bless. Way to go. Congratulations. Whew. Well, it's a pretty good truck there to make that kind of ride. Wow. Well, I better turn it off before I
There wasn't nobody else.
lose power.
There wasn't a track on this road a while ago.
No, somebody came down the hill at a high rate of speed. You can see these tracks, but they didn't hardly go down very far.
Yeah, well, you can see.
March 13th, 1993. And we had a blizzard today. Now, who's been shoveling all this snow? Who do you think? Yeah, Dad's been doing a good job. He's shoveling all around. Well, I've been goofing off. The wind kind of got the best of our plastic for our back porch. They hadn't gotten the best of us yet. Now, do we keep things a long time or what? Yes, this is our Christmas tree. It still looks good. The wind kind of blew it over. So we'll have to prop it back up and see how much longer we can make it last. There, that's a little bit better. Well, heck, it's our first natural tree we've had in years. We got it from the Hagans after working there with their tree farm. Now, you might be wondering where all that racket is. It's the burglar alarm over at the school. Let's see now. What time is it? It's 5:54. It's been running since 10:20 this morning when our power went out. And yes, it's driving us crazy. But learn to live with it. Well, you can see I've been riding. See my tire tracks. These plants, I don't know how they're gonna do. The forsythia seems to be hanging on. Guess that's why the flowers all point down. Now you want to see something, look at this. This will give you some idea how deep this stuff is. It's just drifted all over everything. My tire tracks will tell you another sign of how deep this stuff could blow up to. Same thing with the tracks that a few cars have made. Now the interesting thing is, where there's no snow, it's not solid ice. The ground was too warm. Yep, Dad even shoveled that. It is a winter wonderland. And it's still snowing a little bit. The sky's still all cloudy. And it is cold. I can't take this too much longer. And Dad's still shoveling away. I want to see something frightening. Look at how much snow is up there. It looks like a glacier. When that stuff all slides off, I hate to hear what it's going to sound like. And then look at this drift. Just can't believe it. No, I didn't ride on top of the car. It was just the easiest way. Uh-oh. Not another rear end shot. What do you have to say for yourself?
Not bucklish.
Uh-oh. That's not dirty, is it?
No.
What's it
Shut
mean?
up.
Oh, it figures. Okay, well, we'll stop for now.
Not bucklish.
Uh-huh. I'll have to look that one up in the Gaelic dictionary. All right, we'll see you later.
Bye now.
Keep shoveling.
Bye.
Bye-bye. And meanwhile, Mom's been calling everybody in the book about this alarm. She's called the mayor. Who else have you called up, Mom?
I just talked to the police station again.
Oh, yeah?
East Horn Communications held them twice.
Look this way.
Tried to get the mayor. I tried to get the councilman. He wasn't home.
Oh.
John, don't take my picture like I did today.
Oh, you always look beautiful.
Happy St. Patrick's Day to everybody.
Yeah, that's just a few days before. Let's hope it
They
cleans.
had the parade in Pittsburgh today, and they were all happy and celebrating even in the snow.
Oh, boy, it must be nice.
Let me take a picture of you.
No, I'll do that.
Well, Kevin.
Unless you dare. Hold on a second. Let's see if Mom can really use the video camera. Okay. See, Mom really can use the video camera. That's pretty good.
That low light and all that is still on.
Oh, well, it doesn't matter.
Okay,
Now-
walk over by the flowers.
Yeah, take a look at this now. This place has smelled pretty strong in here the past few days because of these jonquils that Mom got from one of her friends that raises them. And
This
they're
is
the only jonquils around here that look any good.
This is March the 13th, 1993. We have really had a blizzard in Atlanta. We've never seen one like this before.
Yeah,
And hundreds, thousands of people are without electricity.
yeah, but it's 300,000 or something like that.
We were without hours for a few, 2 or 3 hours, but
Hold it level now.
we're so
Yeah.
thankful that it's back. We're trying to get rid of that school alarm.
Yeah, I won't quit.
Now, can I punch it now?
Oh, wait, don't lower it yet. Okay, say goodbye.
Goodbye, and God bless us all, and everybody pray for the weather to get better.
Okay, now press the button one time. Okay, Daddy's in.
Shake hands with Uncle Mike. Poor Daddy.
Yeah. Oh, ain't that sweet?
Come in and get one.
Everything sure looks foggy.
That's right.
Yeah.
I can see.
Oh, okay. All right. Well, we'll
Got no warm gloves?
let Dad warm up and
I had dogs, but they're just skippy dog, you know.
uh-oh, we'll have to get Dad some real work gloves. All right, we'll stop for now. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Some snow on it, especially out front here.
Right. Did you check a picture of that big bicycle on the house?
Yeah, just did.
Just did.
Yeah, it's still quite a sight.
Right. Especially.
Still plenty of snow on the roof at that end for some reason. But over here, it's melted away. You never did get a huge thundering fall of ice off of here. And yes, I went riding one more time. I didn't get too far. I wound up with my shoe coming off. Shady spots like this one are where the danger is so great. And on down the hill, it's probably still iced up. I didn't dare ride down that yesterday. I would have fallen. Oh, okay. Dad just opened the door for me so I could sneak in. It's melted a little bit here and there in the backyard. But over here, where there's shade, it's still pretty thick. It's only gone away just a little bit. At least this video is a lot quieter than the last one I shot. The burglar alarm finally went off, or turned off rather, around 11:30, day of the blizzard. So we're enjoying the peace and quiet. Well, it's time to stop and take down this plastic for one thing. So that's it.